request everyone to join their hands and close their eyes as we begin with a prayer.
આજના દિવસે પ્રભુ મારી એક જ પ્રાર્થના આજના દિવસે પ્રભુ મારી એક જ પ્રાર્થના તારું કરતાપણું મનાય તું ही અખંડ થાય તારું કરતાપણું મનાય તું ही અખંડ થાય આજના દિવસે પ્રભુ.
I'm gonna call Vraj and Mani on the stage. This year, we had a vibrant lineup of competitions, from board decoration, diya decoration and toran making to painting, drawing and essay writing. We also saw enthusiastic participation in thali decoration, storytelling and the exciting Khel Mahakumbh and the plethora of various competitions. The winners of these events were proudly felicitated with certificates in recognition of their talent and hard work. Proud moment for Atmiya Vidyalaya. Our very own 10th standard student Shubham Patil has been selected for the state level volleyball tournament in Khel Mahakumbh 2025. Out of all the talented players across Vadodara, only 3 made it through and Shubham is one of them. The tournament will take place on 26th April 2025 in Vyara, district Tapi. Let us all give Shubham a big round of applause and wish him the very best. It's time to acknowledge the academic brilliance of our young achievers. May I now invite Dhaval sir to the desk to announce the Olympiad results and to honor our winners. Mr. Kanti Kaka is always with us to shower the blessings. Let's hear a big round of applause for our champions.
You all have seen the results online and it's a time to felicitate the medal winners. Before we proceed further, let me summarize what we did. From the school, total 437 students have participated in the Olympiad examination across various subjects. If I would specify, it were 59 in English, 85 in science, 56 in GK, 12 in IT and 225 in the mathematics. That was nevertheless. It was a huge response overall. So big round of applause first of all for all the participations. Few of the criteria you need to satisfy, if I would say, for coming up on the stage. Participants must have to secure the minimum of 50% of the marks to coming up on the stage or receive the medals. For eligibility of the gold medal, participants must have to secure the first position in the class. So does the second for the silver and the third position for the bronze medal. Now we will distribute the medals and certificate. It will be irrespective of the subject. Now let me begin with the subject maths first. From class 1, I would request Diana Bhagat, who receives the gold medal, Ansh Bhatt and Vian Parmar receives the bronze and silver. Hiya Mewada receives the silver medal. And to felicitate them, I would request Kanti Kaka, Principal Sir and Anand Sir. I would repeat, Diana Bhagat receives the gold medal, Ansh Bhatt and Vian Parwan receives the bronze and Hiya Mewada receives the silver medal. Hi, Diana Bhagat is the only child who receives the participation certificate in the second round. So she receives 2 medals along with the bronze medal.
ओ दुनिया सजी तेरे लिए खुद को जरा पहचान तू धूप है झट से बिखर तू है नदी.
Next up, for class 2, Darya Sharma receives the bronze medal, Drit receives the silver and Netra receives the gold medal. Next up round, for the next round, be ready. Darya Sharma receives the bronze medal, Drit receives the silver and Netra receives the gold medal. Like a golden ratio, your journey in the mathematics reflects the balance and brilliance. This medal is the symbol of your success and deep understanding.
हर प्लेयर के लिए
Huge round of applause once again. From class 3, once again, Riddhima Lakore receives the gold medal. Riddhima Lakore.
लगान मिट्टी माथे
Okay, moving on.
मिट्टी माथे
Krish Patel receives the gold medal. Kush Kumar Patel gold medal from class 7. The clapping should not stop. It should be the continuous process like they did for the success. It was the relentless process they achieved for the success. Next, I would like to call the Aarti Madam to please come upon the stage for the certificate distribution of the subject English.
Good morning and Jai Swaminarayan all of you, respected principals, sir, teachers and all my dear students. We are pleased to inform you that outstanding students from our esteemed school have brought many laurels and accolades by winning medals in the Olympiad, competing with their counterparts from their respective classes and carving a niche for themselves in the Silver Zone Olympiad. We would like to enclose their medals, but before that, I would like to call Kanti Kaka and Anand sir to give their medal. So now, starting with younglings of standard first, Ansh Bhatt, Gold, class rank first, is awarded with Medal of Excellence Gold. Second rank is in the class is bagged by Shreya Jethwa with Medal of Excellence Silver from first standard. Words are the most powerful tool we have today. You have proved you are a master of them. So let's a big round of applause for them. Now we are moving on the standard second. Shivam Basawa got first rank and is awarded with Medal of Excellence Gold. And the second rank in that class is bagged by Akshar Patel with Medal of Excellence Silver. A loud cheer of praise. Excellence is not a skill, it's an attitude. You have written your way to the top. Third rank in the class is bagged by Akshar Kulkarni with a Medal of Excellence Bronze from standard second. Moving on the standard third, Shreyas Kadare got second rank, is the awarded with Excellence Silver. Now, moving on standard 4, Antra Khare got first rank and is awarded with Medal of Excellence Gold. Champions are not born, they are made. With every word, every sentence, every pace. Second rank in the class is bagged by Sheikh Shukla with Medal of Excellence. Now we are moving on to standard 5th. Darshil Sahaj got first rank and is awarded with Medal of Excellence Gold. And the second rank in the class is bagged by Rian Gargi with Medal of Silver. All languages need brilliance, so we have to congratulate them with huge applause. So have to clap all of you. Now I would like to call Pragya ma'am to give medal for science.
Good morning and Jai Swaminarayan to one and all present here. As Tim Minchin rightly said, science is simply the word we use to describe a method of organizing our curiosity. And today we are here to celebrate the curiosity brilliance, and scientific spirit of our young achievers. For this, I will start with the class 2. I would like to call Shivam Vasawa, Omkar Bardesi, and Mokshit from grade 2. Shivam Vasawa has won the first rank in the class with the Medal of Excellence Gold. Omkar Bardesi won the silver medal of excellence. Mokshit in class 3rd with the medal of excellence bronze. Now we move on to class 3. I would like to call Adya Mistry, Dhairya Mistry, and Shreya Soni. Adya Mistry, Dhairya Mistry, and Shreya Soni. Adya Mistry. Adya won the gold medal in Adya Mistry has won the gold medal in excellence. Priya Mistry won the bronze medal. And Shreya Soni has won the medal of excellence in silver. Can we have a big round of applause for them? Thank you. Now we move forward to the class 4. We have Yatharth Patel, Devansh Kolte. 4th standard Yatharth Patel only is there. Yatharth Patel. Yatharth Patel won the medal of excellence silver. Grade 5th Devansh Kolte, Pranshu Parmar, Chaitanya Patel. तालियां बजती रहनी चाहिए. Now we move on forward to class 6 Bravya Thakkar. Bravya won the medal of excellence gold. Now we move on to class 7 Khushbu Patel. Khushbu Patel won the medal of excellence gold. Clap for her. A big round of applause for all the students who have won the medals and certificates. Now next class is in grade 8. Vraj Patel, Soumya Patel, and Rudra Patel. Vraj Patel won the medal of excellence gold. Soumya Patel won the medal of excellence in bronze. And Rudra Patel won the medal of excellence silver. Can we have big round of applause for them? Congratulations to all the students and all the best for all those who have not achieved this time but better luck for next time. Now I would like to hand over the mic to Divya ma'am.
Good morning, and there is one and all present here. Let's continue distribution of award of GK subject. Now I would like to call Sriya Jethava from class 1. She got medal of excellence in gold GK subject. Second one is Shivam Vasawa. She got medal of silver in GK subject. Mayank from class 2. He got bronze medal in GK subject. Please come on the stage. तालियां बजती रहनी चाहिए. हेतान second. He got Medal of Excellence in Gold. Sanvi Bele from class 3. Huge round of applause everyone. Krishiv from class 3. Krishiv. तालियों का शोर कम नहीं होना चाहिए. Shivai Patel from class 3. He got silver medal in GK subject. Ashi from class 4. Ashi, she got gold medal in GK subject. Sahaj Shukla, class 4. She got silver medal. Sahaj. Virat Gaikwad, class 4. Slok Parikh, class 5. He got bronze medal. Hansraj Patel. He got silver medal. Please, huge round of applause.
Yeah, in continuation with this prize distribution, I would like to announce one of our teacher, Vanchika Patidar, has secured the bronze medal in the category of 63 kg junior powerlifting competitions. May I call Madam Vanchika on the stage? I have the medal and the certificate. I would request Kanti Kaka to give away this.
Give a huge round of applause for our ma'am. Big cheers to her for her achievements. Come on, do not stop your clapping. Continue. Let's have reading for.
Thank you so much, Kanti Kaka, Principal Sir and Anand Sir, for your gracious presence among us. I further request you to be with us for the Champions Trophy to be awarded to the houses. There comes a time in life when we all face challenges, moments that test our courage, patience and belief in ourselves. Now, let's add a splash of color and rhythm to our morning with a lively cultural dance performance. Get ready to tap your feet and cheer loudly for a talented performers.
बनाउनगी शमशीर कर हर मैदान फतेह ओ बंदिया कर हर मैदान फतेह घायल परिंदा है तू दिखला दे जिंदा है तू बाकी है तुझ में हौसला तेरे जुनू के आगे अंबर पनाहे मांगे कर डाल तू जो फैसला
रूठी तकदीरें तो क्या टूटी शमशीरें तो क्या टूटी शमशीरों से ही हो कर हर मैदान फतेह कर हर मैदान फतेह कर हर मैदान फतेह रे बंदे हर मैदान फतेह
कर हर मैदान फतेह कर हर मैदान फतेह कर हर मैदान
पे चढ़ के वक्त का गिरेबा पकड़ के पूछना है जीत का पता, जीत का पता।
इन मुट्ठियों में चांद तारे भर के आसमां की हद से गुजर के हो जा तू भीड़ से जुदा, भीड़ से जुदा, भीड़ से जुदा। कहने को सर्रा है तू, लोहे का छर्रा है तू, टूटी शमशीरों से ही हो। कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह, ओ बंदिया हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह, ओ बंदिया हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह, रे बंदिया हर मैदान फतेह।
Today, we'll proudly witness the precision, discipline, and spirit of our students as they march forward with pride and purpose, proudly representing their houses. Please welcome our marching teams on the ground as they display their coordination, strength, and teamwork. I now request Bharat sir and Hemant sir to take command and lead of the house. Now, I invite our head boy, Rudram Patel, to come forward and express his thoughts on this significant moment.
Good morning, everyone. Respected principal sir, esteemed teachers, and all my fellow students. As this memorable investiture ceremony draws to a close, it is my privilege as the outgoing head boy to extend a heartful word of thanks to all my fellow students who elected me as their leader and everyone who has made this past year truly exceptional. First and foremost, I bow my head in gratitude to our respected principal sir, whose visionary leadership has guided our institution to new heights. I extend my profound gratitude to Deepa ma'am and the entire administrative staff for their constant support and encouragement. Your unwavering faith in students' leadership has empowered us to grow beyond our perceived limits. I would also like to express my sincere appreciation to outgoing student council members. It has been honor serving alongside such a dedicated individuals. Together we have navigated challenges, celebrated victories, and learned valuable lessons in leadership. In conclusion, I would like to thank everyone once again for making this closing ceremony a grand success and for making this academic year an unforgettable journey of learning and growth. Thank you.
Thank you, Rudram, for your thoughtful words. I am pleased to invite our head girl, Smita Singh, to step forward and present her speech now.
सुप्रभात एवं जय स्वामीनारायण। आदरणीय प्रिंसिपल सर, सभी शिक्षकगण और मेरे मित्रों को नमस्कार। आप सभी को यहाँ देखकर बेहद खुशी हुई। मेरा नाम स्मिता सिंह है और मैं छात्रों द्वारा हेडगर्ल चुने जाने के आधार पर अपना अनुभव साझा करना चाहती हूँ। मैं कहूँगी कि यह अनुभव बहुत बढ़िया और ज्ञानवर्धक था। मैंने बहुत कुछ सीखा। व्यावहारिक रूप से मैंने प्रबंधन करना सीखा। इस स्कूल और आदरणीय प्रिंसिपल मैम ने मुझे यह अवसर प्रदान किया। मेरे पीछे बहुत से छात्र थे जिन्होंने चुनाव समारोह में मुझे वोट दिया और मुझे हेडगर्ल बनने के लिए समर्थन किया और पिछले वर्ष हेडगर्ल के रूप में सेवा करने एवं मदद करने का अवसर प्रदान किया। यह मेरे लिए बहुत खुशी और सम्मान की बात है। मैंने सीखा कि पद का मतलब सिर्फ अधिकार नहीं होता, बल्कि इसका मतलब है एक समान जिम्मेदारी जिसे आपको पूरा करना होता है। मैंने टीम में काम करना सीखा। मैंने नेतृत्व करना सीखा। ऐसी परिस्थितियां भी आई जहां मुझे निर्णय लेने के लिए कहा गया था। मैंने निर्णय लेना सीखा। मैंने आत्मविश्वास हासिल किया। आप अपने कार्यों की जिम्मेदारी लेना सीखा। नेतृत्व के कौशल सीखे। वास्तव में कई लोग इसे अपने जीवन का सबसे अच्छा चरण मानते होंगे। मैं हेडगर्ल होने की जिम्मेदारी के महत्व को समझती हूँ। यह मेरे जीवन में सबसे प्रभावशाली मामलों में से एक रहा है और इसका महत्व कभी भी कम नहीं हो सकता। समर्थन एवं विश्वास रखने हेतु मैं हमारे स्कूल प्रशासन, शिक्षकों को मुझ पर विश्वास करने और मुझे यह अविश्वसनीय अवसर देने के लिए धन्यवाद देना चाहती हूँ। आपके समर्थन और मार्गदर्शन ने मुझे वह आकार दिया है जो मैं आज हूँ। मेरे साथी छात्र उम्मीदवारों को आपकी मेहनत और समर्पण के लिए धन्यवाद। अंत में बस यही कहना चाहूँगी, हेडगर्ल होने के नाते मैंने शिक्षकों और परिस्थितियों से बहुत सी बातें सीखी और यह मेरे जीवन का स्वर्णिम पल था। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, Smita, for your inspiring words. This is the moment we've all been waiting for, the medal and certificate distribution ceremony. Let's take a moment to honor the houses and individuals who have excelled in various areas. Now, before we announce the runner-up house, let's keep the thrill alive with a quick riddle. With hearts so true and efforts bright, they face each challenge day and night. Their spirit strong, their aim in sight. They came so close, just out of light. Their motto, strive, give all their best. Can you guess who stood the test? Yes, it's the house that demonstrates unwavering commitment and enthusiasm. Let's hear it for the proud runner-up, the Devotion House.
Who is announcing the house? The efforts of bright face challenges day and night, spirits of strong aim in sight. They come close, just out of light. Their motto, strive to give the best. Can you guess it? The runner tip which is announced here. Which is the house? Devotion House. You can cheer up for there who stood runner-ups 2024-25. For that, do the honor, I would like to call Principal Sir, Shri Kanti Kaka and Anand Sir to do the honor. The house masters, vice captains and students and prefects to come forward and receive their trophy for this day. Cheer up for them, huge round of applause. Your claps should not stop it yet until they receive the trophy. Continue, come on, cheer up. We give them more round of applause. house captain, vice captain, prefects, and teachers. Devotion House. Yes, the boys and girls. The moment finally arrived to reveal the name of trophy winning house, the champion. Before we do here, one more fun puzzle is waiting for you. Who are best in the puzzle, just crack the answer quick. Listen to me very carefully. We march in line, we head held high, with steady step, spirits that fly, quiet in strength, firm in our stance. We follow the rules, seize the chance. No need to boast, we earn the grace. The trophy goes to, very nice, Discipline House, come on, cheer up for them. I would like to request the house captains, vice captains, and teachers of Discipline House to get the trophy to the same excitement. Come on, give them a huge round of applause. Come on, give them a cheer. Discipline House, come on. Cheers, come on. I hand over to Anvika to do the further proceedings. Anvika, please be on the stage.
Now, it's time to hear a few inspiring words from the guiding light of our school. I kindly request our respected Principal Milind Sir to address the gathering.
A very good morning and Jai Swaminarayan. There are many more exciting announcements yet to be made. If you are silent, I would be able to announce it for all of you. You have seen this first rolling trophy of the houses for the runners-up and champions have been awarded to houses. This trophy has been decided on the basis of your year-long last year's all events participated, achieved and secured with the points. Let me make you more specific. If there is a drawing competition, if there is a storytelling competition, if there is a debate competitions, the winners would be given this year onwards the 5 points. The runners-up will be 3 points, and the students of that house will be given to that as a tally. Third position will be given 2 points. Like this, the point tally will be made, and every month it is going to be displayed in the notice board so that you can achieve, you can strive for getting your best results for every competition. These competitions are going to be right from grade 1. Class 1, have you done with your handwriting competition last time? Yes or no? The winners are getting for their houses, and at the end of the year, after the certificates you have received, the rolling trophy will be given to the winner houses. And the story doesn't end here. For all such things, we are having the house conveners, house teachers to guide you. Apart from that, you have seen the prefects and house captains have completed their last term. We are going to have the next elections and investiture ceremony in the month of June. There will be again the votings, there will be again the panel discussions, there will be again the selections. And the new body of school appointees and house appointees will be formed. The responsibilities will be rolling down to the new batch. Apart from that, this vacations we are planning to have the summer camp for all of you. The circular for the summer camp has been given. Today or tomorrow you will get the hard copy also. So the interested students and the parents, if you are not silent, I am going to cancel the summer camp. Okay. So the circulars you will receive, and this excitement carries further. The most important thing, what you have observed is the name of your houses: dedication, divinity, devotions, and discipline. All these four virtues are the most important in the life of the student. I won't say much, but remember all these points what we have said. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.
Enlightening us with your wisdom. Your words resonate deeply with all of us. Now, I'll invite Aryan Verma to deliver the vote of thanks and express gratitude to all those who made this event a grand success.
I, Aryan Verma from Grade 10, would like to extend heartfelt gratitude to everyone involved, our dear estimated guests, respected principal sir, teachers and my dear friends. Thank you for your presence, participation and contribution. Your dedication and support are truly appreciated to your students. Thank you for your enthusiasm and energy. Your performance and achievement had made us proud. Once again, thank you for all being a part of special occasion. May memories be created today inspire us to strive for excellence. Thank you.
A big thank you to all the students, teachers and dignitaries who made this event special and successful. Your passion and fire creates a wondrous sight, inspiring all with your excellent might. As we conclude this part of the ceremony, let's remember that recognition is not just about the awards, but about the journey, the effort and the perseverance. May these achievements inspire others too to strive for excellence. Let's hope every house puts in their best efforts to win this prestigious trophy in the upcoming academic year. Now I'll hand over the mic to Mihir sir, who is the English teacher.
Once again, good morning and Jai Swaminarayan to all. The wonderful ceremony closing. We are moving towards the ending. We don't want to say bye for now, but before we move back to our classes, the trophy which you have won, let's capture the memory for throughout the life. So I would like to call upon the runner-up team, the entire house, yellow house, to come on the stage and have the photography. Once again, teachers, students, prefects, everyone come by one and have a one unity together to click a wonderful photography along with Principal Sir, Shri Kantikaka and Anand Sir.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे
जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे